Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the hood shocks or hood struts on a BMW E90. So this will work for 325i's, 328i's, 335i's, and 328iX. Alright, so all you need is like a screwdriver or a fork, and then you just pry out this little metal clip right here on this side, and then this one right here, and then it'll just pop out, and then you can just pop in your new ones. Alright, so this is the new one, so you just pop it in. And that's it. That's the new hood shock, and then it's gonna be the same for the other side. Alright, so changing the trunk shocks is like the same as changing the hood shocks. You just need a screwdriver, and then you pop the clips, and then it'll pop out, and you can pop the new one in. So this one just pops out. Alright, that's it. It's that easy, and it's just gonna be the same on the other side.